Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enroll and complete the external transfer on TD Bank. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. So first here you have to go search for your TD Bank. Then here you have to go to their website. And then you have to log in here. Then you can click on this here. And you can see where is the nearest branch available, and from there you can enroll and complete the external transaction on your TD Bank. So by this way you can do, and this is how to enroll and complete the external transaction on TD Bank. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.